construction vehicles right here on US 9W. Size vehicles here. Crank it up here. Guys, up and up and up we go. Where do we stop? Nobody knows. Up and up. See the mountain right there with the rock, the cliff side face there. Yeah. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see there down there. Roadkill. Just can see the mountain here. And you guys have a pretty good idea as to how high we are. So right. So right. Up we go, guys, just up. Climbing the hill. Up, we're still going up. Look at the cliff, look at this rock faces. Yeah, up in the mountain. US 9W. Use low gear trucks. Now we're gonna start going down because now we're ready to pick up the mountain. Yeah. It's a peak. Now we start heading back down. We went up, now we're heading down. Sorry guys, I had to crack the window a little bit to get some air coming in. What was that? A leaf? you say, hey, by the way, take a break right here. We're still high up on the mountains, even though we start descending already. But you see, if we look straight ahead, you see how we compared to the other mountains where we are in terms of the level. As you guys can see all the way across, so we are still pretty high. Students. What are you itching for? School buses, pay attention. Once you see those signs, you gotta. That means school buses could be stopping at any time, anywhere on this road because of residents. So we've come down a pretty good chunk. Where are we now? Something Flint Cliff. I guess Flint Cliff is saying that that's where we are, I think. I don't know. You guys can see. Flint Cliff. Oh, we have trucks here too. What? This truck's. You better have a good. Your truck better be looking pretty decent for you to be coming here. Because climbing those hills is not a joke. You're too heavy. You don't have enough power. You're in trouble. Old Point, West Old Point Road. This looks like a residential right here. Yeah. Continental Road. Welcome to Cornwall. So we are in Cornwall. We are in Cornwall, guys. Cornwall. Cornwall right now. This is the way to Cornwall in here. So we're in Cornwall. Welcome to Cornwall. At least we saw a sign. Looking for a sign for a while. Let me see how many. Oh, I'm gonna. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pause the video. And I will pick up the video for the last leg of that journey. St. Luke's Cornwall. Yeah. So I'm gonna pause the video right there and I'll pick it back up, guys.